Hi, I received this pack of disposable shower caps so that I could try them out and tell you all about them. And I love these because they're perfect for travel. So I have one that I use at home that is reusable, but I like these because I can take them, I can throw them in a suitcase. They're super compact and then just toss them in my hotel. So here's the fun part. This is what it looks like. And you just kind of work on it like this to open it up, and voila, it's ready to go. And it is disposable, like I said, so get my ponytail in there. There we go. So then that's what it looks like. It's just a regular shower cap, and then you can throw it away when you're done. So nice. Also, these are good for other things besides putting on your head for a shower. You can use these as shoe covers. You could use these as like putting a paintbrush in it to keep, your surroundings from getting paint on them. There's just a lot of different ways that you can use these. They have a good stretch to them. The plastic is kind of thin, which is a good thing. And yeah, love it. And I actually just love it that it looks like this to start out with. So really good for travel. That's why I got them and was excited to try them. So I do highly recommend these. Love them. Thanks.